In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Amazon Prime Video. Signing into Amazon Prime Video is a straightforward process, but let's walk through it together, step by step. To start, you'll need to navigate to their website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in primevideo.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Amazon Prime Video homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot a profile icon located right beside the Join Prime button. Click on this profile icon. It's here that you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign In, which will take you to the next page where you can input your login details. If you're already an Amazon member, you'll find this process quite familiar. Now, on the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your mobile number or email address that's associated with your Amazon account. Be sure to double check that you've typed this information incorrectly to avoid any hiccups. Once you've entered your mobile number or email, the next step is to click on the Continue button. This will advance you to the password entry section. At this stage, you should carefully type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock